Hello everyone, Saturnex here, welcome back to another video. The iOS 18 just dropped out, and in today's video we are going to take a look at all the main features that are now available on the iPhone. I have updated the software to iOS 18 on my iPhone 13 Pro. Let me just show you real quick how it all looks like. At both we have the iPhone 13 Pro and the iOS version 18.0 beta. And oh boy, we have a lot of new features coming up. First with the homepage screen. So as you can see, all looks the same, but when I just press on the edit button, here I have the customize option. So let's click on this and we have the 4 different options. We have the automatic, dark, light and tinted. Automatic is just the automatic version between the dark mode and the bright mode. The dark mode is literally changing all the apps to dark, as you can see. Light is just the light version, and the tinted one allows you to just apply any color that you want to your apps to be. So let's say I want them to be this green, and I can just leave them as it is. I can also pick any color from the screen and we will just turn to the colors, so that's nice. Besides this, iOS finally allows you to adjust any app to any position that you want to. Let's say you want to have your apps in the middle, like on Android. Yes, it allows you to do it. Looks so good, so nice. And yes, you can just adjust your widgets with this slide thing here on the corner, so that's nice. It's so seamless, so good. Obviously there are a lot of bugs on this iOS 18, so if it's your main device, I don't really recommend you guys updating to the beta version yet. New versions are getting published. I think that they will just fix the bugs and everything will be the way it should be. Photos, you can see that it all looks just different. The Photos app look differently now. You have the different UI. And everything looks in sort of a bubble design, as you can tell. It's all. The main page also looks different. It's sort of a different app, completely redesigned app. As for the photos, it all looks cool and nice. I like it. And yes, you can sort with the search button through your photos, like during the winter, it gives you the photos of winter and all the stuff, so that's amazing. Also, the main difference is with the control center. So once you just slide in through the top of the screen, you get this control center and all the bubbles are just redesigned. As you can see, it all looks different now. You've got the main tab such as the music and the main tab for your modes, AirDrop, Wi-Fi and all the stuff, so it all is just in a different position now, and you can also customize it. Here on top you can just add different options and control focuses, so that's nice. And you can even just redesign the whole bubbles here on the screen. Let's say I just want to make this Shazam thing wider. I can't, so maybe let's just take and make this bubble wider, and it actually stays like this, so you can just easily press on it. And while we're here in the control center, let's take a look at the calculator. It's all new calculator. As you can see, you've got all the memory in here, so it's nice, it's seamless, it looks cool. And once you press on this calculator icon, you actually can switch between the basic one, the scientific calculator, which gives you more options. It gives you many more options than it used to. And there's also the convert option, so you can convert, let's say, currencies, which is so good. It's all built in, so I like it a lot. You can choose just any other currency. You can actually even calculate different units, just angles, area, data, energy. It's all in there, so it's so good that you have every single option here built in the primary calculator. It's so nice, I love it a lot. A huge shout out to Apple for adding such options to iOS now. And the most important thing now is the math notes. It's such a cool option. Let me show you real quick. It works the best on iPod, of course, because you can have the bigger screen and everything, but essentially what it allows you to do is to do some problems. Let's say I'm writing a problem and I want to calculate what's the logarithm of 10, and it gives you automatically the answer. So it's really cool, it's all really nice, I like it a lot. And it actually supports variables, so if you're doing like a complex math problem on your iPad, it is really helpful. I like it a lot. One of the best features out there on the iOS 18. The maps also got redesigned. You've got different new icons on the map. And yes, now it also supports the topographic map, so you can just plan your trail, hike, or maybe whatever you want to do. If your Mac on the newest updated version, macOS Sequoia, and transfer all the trails to your iPhone, and they will get displayed with the topographic map on your iPhone and a built-in Maps app, so it's really good. And also what's new is the new Passwords app. So it looks like this. You can get yourself some passwords in a different app. It's not hidden in the settings like it used to be. It works pretty much the same way. Also in iOS 18 you can require any app to use Face ID before just opening up. And another amazing option on iOS 18 is that you can actually hide an app on iOS 18. Yes, you heard me correctly, you can just hide an app. So once you just long press on it and click on require a Face ID, it gives you an option to hide also and require the Face ID. So once you just click on this, and this will no longer be visible on your iPhone. So let's hide it. And then once you just scroll down, you'll see this eye thing, and then once you just click on this and scans your face, then you can actually access your hidden app. So it's really amazing feature for you if you want to just hide some app. Besides that, what's different is also the calendar app. It looks a little bit different now. You've got a different menu and UI. And now what's different is that communicates with the reminders, and if there's any reminder from your reminder app, it will get automatically shown in the calendar app, so that's cool. So far the Siri looks pretty much the same, but it will be changed in the upcoming beta profiles. It will communicate with the ChatGPT, so you can just do many cool options, but I can't really just show it to you guys yet because it's not really out yet. Once it will be out, I will record a video. What's also great, the Messages app also get a lot of new options, such as these animations and text editing tools. You can just underline some words and everything, so it looks very nice. And what's great on the new iOS is that you can actually control what you want to see here, and then a quick selection tab. Obviously you can just change your flashlight to be whatever you want. You can just use this shortcut for opening up pretty much any app you want to. Let's say I want it to be the voice memos, and I'm taking a lot of voice memos. So now whenever I just want to quickly go to the voice memos, I just long press on this and it actually starts to record my voice, which is so convenient. Okay, so that's pretty much it as for today's video. These are the main features of the iOS 18. There's lots of them, and honestly, most of them look very cool. And I have to admit that this iOS 18 update is literally one of the best ones that we had in the past years, so it's definitely a good upgrade, thanks Apple. That's pretty much it as for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, I will answer you for sure. And yeah, see you in the next one, bye!